Delighted, excited to honor Shankar Garu.
Ma'am, teacher. Sir, it was very effective. In this class we have learned everything. First thing we have learned that without any fear we have to talk. Whatever it may be, right or wrong, first we should learn, first we should speak out. That we will implement with our children. Bravely they speak without any fear. They talk on the stage. First thing I'll make all my children in my class to speak out their things, whatever we teach that in the assembly. That is my goal, first thing. Thank you, sir.
Thank you
for conducting this program. Really, I don't know that Sridhar sir has told you to take the classes here. The day when you are taking, that time I came to know. So I also started coming to the classes. We are all feeling very blissful attending these classes. And I spoke to all the teachers yesterday, and I could see the change in their faces, their heartfelt emotions, activities whenever they are doing. I see full change in them by attending these classes. I want these type of things to keep up in your classes too, and keep your school shine and shine and shine. Now it is 57th year.
You are very seniors and you have well experience in subjects, but you are behind the English, so you should improve some body language and somewhat you should also practice them daily. Then you can improve, because I am not bigger than you, I am smaller than you, but I am suggesting that's it. And please practice daily, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I'll tell something great about our Shankar sir, Shankar Garu. He has completed MBA, MA English, Diploma in Spoken English from Ramakrishna Math, and now is director and trainer for Shankar Speakers Delight in Dilshud Nagar. Thousands of people he has trained already. You are also among them now. So thousands daily, every month he will be training thousands of students in his institute. So you won't imagine, one day before I have contacted with Shankar sir, one day only, Sunday, he spoke in the phone. I have not seen him before only. So he told I am Ramakrishna student. So I was attracted because I am also Ramakrishna student. So I immediately, he told, give me some time sir, today evening 5 o'clock I will be calling Sunday. Sunday morning I called him, give him one time, whichever time you want. Our teachers will be there from morning 8:30 to 3:30. And he told, 5 o'clock I'll be telling, immediately he called me, I'll take 2 o'clock after lunch, immediately I'll take sir. Okay.